Hey guys, my package came in my NASCAR diecast, and we had a birthday party today. So I put all these NASCAR diecasts in there. Let's see what we have. First one we have is Daniel Hemrick's Bass Pro Shops car. Next one we got Brad Kozlowski Discount Tire. Next we have Ryan Blaney's PDG car, Ford Mustang. We have Kevin Harvick and Hunt Brothers Pizza car, Ford Mustang also. We have Michael McDowell's K-Love 34 car, Ford Fusion 2018. We have Pennzoil Shell Joe Pagano Ford Mustang 22 car. Next one we got Clint Boyer, another Ford Mustang Rush Truck Centers. Next we have Eric Almirola's Smithfield 10 car. And finally, I think, is Brett Moffitt's 16 car, 2018 car. And, also I got AG on my nigger sticker though, and I also have this diecast. It's the same car from eBay, so I'll go put it back. Hope you enjoy it.